Are you struggling with your balance? Are you struggling with your posture? Are you maybe having foot problems or knee problems or hip problems? Now, today I will be doing a follow-on video about my journey into barefoot walking. And this video is an update on the video I made a couple of months ago, simply because I'm getting quite a large response from my patients who see me walking around in the practice with my Vivo barefoot or my Vibram 5 Fingers barefoot shoes. When I came back to the practice after my retinal detachment, I sprained my ankle, my weak ankle, and the ankle was so swollen I couldn't actually put my feet into my normal trainers. Now, the first thing that I tell my patients that if you are older and you want to transition maybe to barefoot walking, it's not a simple, easy thing to do. We all have different feet as well. So some people can transition into barefoot walking easier. Some actually, I think, can't. I'm saying in general, barefoot walking actually protects your joints. Now, your foot's been into this protective shoe its whole life. If your feet isn't strong enough, our feet wasn't made to walk on hard, level surfaces. And if I look at myself, I've been monitoring myself on my iPhone now for a couple of months, and my stability has increased, my walking symmetry has increased, I'm not limping as bad, I've got less foot pain. My feet has actually now gone from a 7 to an 8, and I think my left foot is even getting stronger now. Now, what are the potential benefits of barefoot walking? You're going to find that if you start walking more barefoot and you just do a little bit of toe raisers, you're going to find that your arch and your ankle will be actually strengthening up. You also find that there's a reduced load on your hips and on your knees, because the moment your feet work well, they actually absorb most of the shock. When you start out barefoot walking, try and walk on grass. Try and walk on something soft, maybe some uneven surfaces. Do it gently and do it slow. Might work for one person, might not work for another person. But you certainly do not want to go and do barefoot walking day one in a mall for 6 or 7 hours. That is a recipe for disaster.